Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Alright friends, so in today's video we are going to take a look at chalet style home decor. Now, a chalet style of home decor is a really rustic and cozy interior design style that takes inspiration from the traditional alpine chalets found in Switzerland, Austria, and other European mountain regions. Now, if you look at this style for exactly what it is, although it is rustic, in some cases it can be a rustic industrial fusion, and in other cases a more rustic elegant blend. So I think my favorite style of having a chalet would be one that encompasses or blends the more rustic side with the elegant glam side. Your end result is this space that is very elegant and comfortable and cozy because of the rustic side, but it's also very sophisticated and chic. Now, you don't actually have to live in this region or love the ski lifestyle to have this type of decor. You just have to love forest motifs and natural materials and a cozy up by the fire sensibility. So if you want to see how you can bring the chalet chic aesthetic home vibes to your home, even if you are miles from the nearest chairlift, keep watching. Now, chalet style interiors use rustic finishes and layered textiles to create a warm and cozy aesthetic. Now, you can also use animal motifs, fur accents, and antlers to appear on furniture, decor, and lighting to further give you layers of this style. Traditional chalet architecture features a wide gabled roof with deep overhangs, wooden walls with gingerbread trim, and a stone foundation. Wide porches protect the structure and encourage sunbathing. Now, this style is specific because it's a design that survives heavy snowfall and stays warm in a cold mountain climate. With modern energy-efficient construction, chalets often have soaring ceilings and large window walls to enjoy your impeccable view outside. The main elements of chalet-style architecture are exposed timber framing, wood planks on the walls and ceiling, and a stone or tile fireplace. Now, some walls may also be plastered or even upholstered for a cozy look. The first key element that we will discuss would be wood. Wood is a crucial element in chalet-style decor. Look for wooden beams, paneling, and flooring to create a warm and inviting feel. Number 2, stone. Stone accents such as fireplaces, accent walls, or backsplashes are common in chalet-style decor, and you will repeatedly see this. Number 3, textiles. Cozy fabrics like wool, flannel, and faux fur add to the warmth of a chalet-style space. Look for chunky knit blankets, plaid pillows, and other textural elements to really amp up your coziness. Next, let's talk about colors. Chalet-style decor tends to favor really earthy tones like brown, beige, and gray. Accents of deep red, hunter green, and navy blue can add pops of color. Some people also like to incorporate antiques to their room. Look for vintage items like old skis, snowshoes, and other winter sports equipment to really add a touch of history to your decor. Now, most importantly would be lighting. Soft, warm lighting is essential to creating a cozy atmosphere in a chalet-style home. Look for warm-toned bulbs, candles, and lanterns to really set the mood. Now, by incorporating these key elements, you can create a cozy and inviting chalet-style space in your home. But what are other ways that you can really just evoke this sense of coziness and comfiness? Well, let's talk about furniture. Choose furniture that is both comfortable and functional, such as plush sofas and armchairs, sturdy wooden dining tables. Bonus points if this is made of wood or reclaimed wood, and of course, cozy beds with soft bedding. Also, accessories can add character to a chalet-style space. Consider items such as antlers, woolen blankets, vintage ski posters, and rustic lamps to add interest, texture, and personality. One element that is just really, or I should say one feature that is a really must-have in a chalet-style home is a fireplace. Now, whether it's a wood-burning fireplace or a gas fireplace, or even if you just run to the store and get a mock fireplace, it can serve as the centerpiece of the room and provide warmth and ambiance during the winter months. A little known element that a lot of people will not associate with chalet-style living are plants. Even though chalet-style decor is rustic, you can still incorporate plants to bring some life and really some freshness to your space. Look for plants that can survive in low-light conditions like ferns, pothos, or snake plants. Overall, chalet-style home decor is not for everyone, but it is about creating a warm and cozy atmosphere that really evokes the feeling of a mountain retreat getaway. By incorporating natural materials, earthy colors, and cozy textures, you can create a space that feels both inviting and comfortable. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.